Welcome! Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to set your Instagram messages to disappear automatically after 24 hours. This updated feature is perfect for keeping your conversations private and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your chats by tapping the messenger icon in the top right corner. This will bring up all your direct message conversations. Next, tap on the chat where you want to set the disappearing message timer. It can be any individual or group chat you choose. Once inside the chat, look to the top of the screen and tap on the name of the person or group. This will open the chat settings menu. In this menu, find and tap on Disappearing Messages. Here, you'll see options to control how long your messages stay visible. Now, select the 24 hours option. This means any message you send in this chat will automatically disappear 24 hours after being sent, helping you maintain privacy without manual deletion. After selecting 24 hours, simply exit the menu. Your messages in that chat will now vanish automatically after a day. Remember, both you and the person you're chatting with need to have this feature enabled for it to work properly. If either of you turns it off, the messages will stay visible. This feature is ideal for sharing sensitive information or just keeping your inbox neat and tidy without worrying about deleting old messages. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can set your Instagram messages to disappear after 24 hours, giving you more control over your conversations. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching.